everyone, so I got this wig by ULAHAIR. This is their 1B/613 ombre unit. It's mostly just darker at the root, so it's not exactly like a true ombre, but I personally love this look. This is a 12-inch bob. Also, by the way, I had just finished bleaching the knots and also washing this wig before I started the install, so that's why everything kind of looks a bit wavy and not as, shiny. But we're gonna go ahead and start installing this. This is an average cap size, which is a little bit bigger for me, so I really had to make sure that I pinned everything back and made sure that it was placed in the right spot to use the got to be glued. So it was a little bit of a struggle, but I eventually got the hang of everything. I promise the baby hairs did not look this bad towards the end. Clearly you saw the beginning of the video. It was just really messy to start off with because I had to go in and cut them and make sure that they were the right length, but I did that off camera, and now I'm just going in to straighten this hair because obviously I just washed it and it just needs to be straightened. I don't have the best straightener, so just FYI there. But I was also able to use my hot comb after, which I don't think I filmed for this video, but you'll be able to see when I start talking that, everything was done. The hot comb, the flat iron, which obviously could have been better in the back, but it's fine. It ended up looking pretty decent once I was done, so yeah. Alright, we're gonna try to do this in 7 minutes. Okay, so, alright, so I got this unit from ULAHAIR, I don't know how to pronounce it, I think it's ULAHAIR. They sent me this blonde ombre, I think it's like a 1B/613 bob, and I just went in and I installed the unit. I'm not even wearing an elastic band, other than the one that's already honestly on this unit, but I did go ahead and style it for you guys. It was super easy. I also bleached the knots on this wig, I washed it, so you can see it goes back a pretty long way. This is a 13x4 unit as well, and I'm pretty sure it's maybe 12 inches for the length. Let me get into the specs of the actual wig. I was right, this is a 12-inch unit, 180% density. The price of this unit is going to be $163.76. Honestly, if you bleach the knots, this unit can look really good. I do like the ombre for this wig, and I also like the color. I normally don't really do blonde units, but for this one I could definitely rock this. I also use a hot comb to flatten everything. This is how it looks from the side. I think it looks really, really pretty. I love the quality of the hair. It's very soft. I've already washed this hair one time. It does not feel fried or anything, which is nice. And the density is still pretty thick, but it's not a crazy amount to where it doesn't look realistic on my scalp or on my head. Good stuff. I will say I probably should have gotten this in the cap size small because this is in an average cap size right now, and I can kind of feel there's space in the back for me. But if your head is just a normal head size, you'll be good with that as well. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you would also be able to put hair color in this. Don't dye it, it's already dyed. This is the lightest that you'll probably get. I feel like this is a good color, but you could also, if you wanted to make this a gray toner, you could use the Wella toner or something to make it gray if you really wanted to, but I personally like this blonde that I'm wearing right now. I think it looks good with my skin tone for some reason. But yeah, I didn't do too bad of a job with the bleached knots. I feel like I didn't do any plucking on this. Definitely could have done plucking, but I just decided that it wasn't worth it for this unit, so there's no reason for me to pluck it right now for the video. And it's already usually when I bleach the knots in a unit, I don't have to pluck as much because it already looks more natural that way. The knots just aren't showing, so you're able to see more of the lace or the scalp of the wig. So that's just a tip for you guys if you needed that. But I also don't know if they gave me a box with this unit because I don't have the box anymore. If they did, I feel like it just came in a bag. But yeah, this is super soft, 12 inches, nice bob cut. And yeah, I would give this wig, honestly, I would give it a 4.5 out of 5. I feel like it's really nice. I feel like if they really wanted to, they could have honestly bleached the knots for me and plucked it, but most companies don't do that, so that's fine. But I think it's very cute, and I'll definitely be taking pictures in this as well. This is like super pretty, but the install again was super easy, wasn't hard. This is how the back is looking, and yeah, I think that's all that I have to say for this video. It does come with an elastic band already sewn in on the inside, so they do that for you, which is nice. And all you have to do is just use your Got To Be Glued, spray it and apply it, and you're good to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the link to this unit down below from ULAHAIR, and be sure to go ahead and check them out. The wig is actually very inexpensive, so I'm pretty sure y'all will be able to afford it and love it just as much as I do. And I will talk to you guys later. All right, bye.